Okay, guys, is there a vet helping vets? We gotta post something that really actually help the YouTubers out there. Trying to control the idle control. This car has 116,000 miles on it. It's starting to shake a little bit, you know. After the 100, yeah, it has 16 years. It has 116,000 miles on it. Literally almost brand new. So I changed the O2 sensor, the PVC valve back here, okay, the master airflow sensor, and the vacuum solenoid. Those four things combined together should bring your idle down. Probably spend like about good $200 on all four idle sensors and solenoids. They tell you that you need a special tool to take that off. The O2 sensor, you don't need it. You don't need it. You don't need that. Yeah, well, this is a 2006, like I said, 16 valve, 2.4 V4 engine, Toyota Camry. Change those four things. Believe me that your idle will go down. Also, and there's simple things. You don't need a mechanic. And also, a throttle body back there. Take the whole connection off, or this whole vacuum system right here. And just take Gumot. You don't need CRC, or if you have the money for it, then you know, most well. But this right here, $6. Does the job real good. Your idle should come down, and the cars should come back to normal. Well, that's for you guys. I hope it helps out for those of you guys that have a problem with the idle on your car. Don't forget, hit that like, and also support a vet helping vets. Thanks a lot, guys.